A new ruling in a case we've been following since 2019. An appeal court made a decision regarding the shooting death of Isaiah Lewis, an unarmed black teenager killed by Edmond police. News 4's Taylor Mitchell joins us live in the newsroom after looking over documents in this appeal court ruling, which could end a federal lawsuit filed by the parents. Taylor.
That's right, Adria. According to these court documents, a three-judge panel of the 10th U.S. Circuit Court of Appeals in Denver is backing the police officer, ruling in favor of him, saying he is entitled to qualified immunity. That means the officer did not violate Isaiah Lewis's rights.
After a 2-year battle in court, a decision Friday on the death of 17-year-old Isaiah Lewis is going in favor of an Edmond police officer. Lewis was shot and killed after police say he was acting erratically, running naked and unarmed throughout the street, hopping over fences and breaking into a house. Officers say they tased Lewis and then shot him after a fight broke out between Lewis and officers on scene. They say Lewis was attacking them. These court documents say Officer Denton Sherman shot Lewis 4 times and a 5th shot was missed. Lewis died as a result of his wounds. On April 28, 2019, officials with the Oklahoma County District Attorney's Office said Isaiah Lewis's girlfriend and family members noted he was not acting like himself. The family has not commented yet on the ruling, but in an interview with the family shortly after his death, Lewis's mom said it was uncalled for.
He was not armed. And he didn't deserve to die in the way that he did. He didn't deserve to die, period. They don't get to assassinate my son's character.
But back in 2019, Edmond police say they were forced to shoot.
Both officers were violently assaulted in this confrontation inside the house. After the fact, at the scene, that both were visibly injured.
Ultimately, the Oklahoma County District Attorney, David Prater, determined the officers' actions were justified in shooting Lewis. Lewis's family filed a federal civil rights lawsuit against the city of Edmond and its officers. The lawsuit alleged the officers violated Lewis's civil rights by killing him, but now after Friday's ruling, it could mean an end to the federal lawsuit.
If Lewis's parents' attorney decide to ask the full appeals court to reconsider the ruling and they do, a new judgment can be issued.